Look down at your keyboard, right now. I bet it's dirtier than you think. But in the next 2 minutes, I'm taking this grimy keyboard and making it look brand new. Get ready for one of the most satisfying deep cleans you've ever seen. No fancy gadgets here, just grab these. A can of compressed air, a small soft brush, a microfiber cloth, some isopropyl alcohol or cleaning solution, and if you've got one, a keycap puller. That's it. Step 1. Unplug your keyboard. Don't skip this. Flip it upside down and give it a good shake. All those crumbs and mystery bits, let them rain out. Now for the fun part, blast between the keys with compressed air. Watch all that dust explode out. So satisfying. Step 2. Time for detail work. Take your soft brush and sweep between every single key. Get in those nooks and crannies. Yep, where all that ancient snack dust hides. Trust me, this part is weirdly relaxing. Step 3. The final polish. Dampen your microfiber cloth with isopropyl alcohol. Never put liquid straight on your keyboard. Wipe down the tops and sides of each key, then the keyboard frame. This not only cleans but sanitizes, so you're not just making it look good, it's actually hygienic. And that's it. Look at that. A keyboard that looks, feels, and is incredibly clean. It's like typing on a new gadget. Just check out this before and after. Total transformation, right? Seriously, go clean your keyboard. You won't regret it. If you found this as satisfying as I did, hit that like button. Subscribe to Another How To Guru for more essential life hacks and tell me in the comments, what should I clean next?